They're gonna wait to take those out, but what they're gonna do is they're gonna have a pee hole and a poop hole. Oh, and are you taking a picture? Diomedes, wave, hola.
Video, Diomedes.
So this is our eco latrine. Oh, I have video. I don't know how to say video.
Video.
Wave. Nathan!
Say something, Nathan.
Gosh, why are you so quiet?
Tired.
You finished! There's Teofila and Jetty and Michael. Oh, just wave, it's a video. Wave, hola! Yay!
Oh my god.
Woo, we finished!
Let's take one with Toby.